Music Expo mang Turian Group Tinten Thei to pan chuat thewa committee le hlajir voi tam takan kawa adon na ya phei chuan jing lai le jana te hlajir char ani hlajir le special item tur boi puing group member ten boi thei le
security vel chu tu te mo kan phiek do na
ta ka ngai don ni o hit don ya
Misora police vel kan phiek ma yang ma pa ya ma la sa mo
atil de lau tu rau stage ma ha din ti la
kan special item tur mi lo la o special item tur ni
Music Committee chuan he Music Expo tan sponsorship mi than hem ngai zwal te hne na deal ni sia tiang en deal a heng mi te hne na tang hian sponsorship mu ani Evan lal chuan moi zote President Bethlehem BLP YD te chung kwa chuan Mount Horeb English School mingin second prize chen sang khat an ron donate a Evan Robert Alin Sanga local PYD president chuan third prize chen zariat apa deng kunga kumsang hi pakwa akum samruk pathum mi ni aboral ta hriat ding nan aron donate Evan Kelal Ming Moya advisor Bethlehem PYD in change ani Evan Eflal Shangliana chairman music committee change anga Lalhriat Puya secretary music committee change athum PCL Ming Moya change anga TC Vanal Ruata change ani samnga Arlal Ramsanga change Oliver Laltheng Liana Aubi represent change ani Lalnun Moya treasurer local PYD change Dr. Arlal Faknizuala change ani Lal Felkima change ani Lal Du Zuala change Lal Chan Himi change anga Mimi Lal Du Omi treasurer music committee change atum Lal Din Dikisai Lo change anga Lal Lung Muani change atum Lal Rampari change Judi Lal Mangai change ani Avain change sang rukzathum somnga ni Tichuan ruam han lok ang chuan August ni somni pasari jana music export chu man tan ania biak ina pi wedding khoma leng khom zai in pi siang na nei ani kauthan hlabu number zali som ko pathumna lungmin len ka thlir ning don lo ti hla hmanga in elani leng khom zai min endik saktu te chu h lalmal soma khuang pu te ngur thanga zaute zai rual le rual lo zai tuile tuilo zai on par moi hlashil thiam le thiam lo
August ni somni pariat ni leng to music expo man na tur no pang Sunday school hol che ya ni lenga natlang kau ania hemini hian pardazar light fit stage siam le decoration siam na tho ani jing to e khamatanga zandar som pakhat vel thing natlan ani
in every soul some brightly burning some dark and cold there is a spirit who brings a fire, ignites a candle, and makes his home. So carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the hopeless, confused and torn, and hold out your candle for all to see it. Take your candle and go light your world.
Thunna ma hian mi pakwan natlangin tlaya chahlui kil ho ngal ania zana ti turtul ang te ti chunzom zelin zandar som pakhat vel thling tho chunzom le ani bok
Frustrated brother, see how he's trying to light his own